Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. This feature lets you organize your tabs along the side of your browser instead of across the top, which can be really helpful when you have lots of tabs open at once. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll need to access the experimental features section. In the address bar at the top, type chrome://flags/ and press enter. This brings you to Chrome's Flags page, where you can enable hidden or experimental features that aren't available in the regular settings menu. Now, you'll see a search bar at the top of the Flags page. Click on it and type vertical tabs. This will filter the results and show you the specific flag you need to modify. Vertical tabs is still an experimental feature, so it's hidden in this section rather than being available in Chrome's main settings. Once the vertical tabs option appears in your search results, look for the drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and you'll see several options. Go ahead and select Enabled from the list. This tells Chrome that you want to activate the vertical tabs feature for your browser. After enabling the flag, you'll notice a prompt at the bottom of the page asking you to relaunch Chrome for the changes to take effect. Chrome needs to restart in order to apply this new configuration. Click the Relaunch button or simply close and reopen Chrome manually. Give it a moment to restart completely. Once Chrome reopens, you're ready to switch your tabs to vertical mode. Open a new tab or make sure you have at least one tab active in your browser. Now, look at your tab bar at the top of the window where all your open tabs are displayed. Right-click anywhere in that tab section to bring up a context menu with additional options. In the menu that appears, you should now see an option that says Show Tabs Vertically. Click on it, and your tabs will instantly move from the top of the browser to the left side of the window. This vertical layout gives you more space to see your tab titles and makes it easier to manage multiple tabs at once. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and activated vertical tabs in Google Chrome, giving you a whole new way to organize your browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.